Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and for day 11 of my 30 days of refashions for September, we have a little bit of a Hollywood glamour going on. Definitely without the Hollywood price tag, because we're going to use stuff that we already have lying around the house to make a very cool Hollywood style vanity table. And yeah, it's some stuff from around the house, and also something I found in the garbage, of course, because trash to treasure refashions are always awesome as well. And speaking of refashions, if you want to refashion your entire wardrobe, join my wardrobe revolution and get started with me. But right now, let's dive into the Hollywood vanity table tutorial. My kiddo used to love having a super colorful, eclectic room, but now she is older and cooler and wants something more minimalist. So we took the shelves and the mirror that I actually originally found in the trash outside, taped everything off, and gave them a lovely couple or 3 coats of white paint. She even helped, which was amazing. Then we grabbed one of my old tables from my studio and cut it in half. And it's so funny. Always when we cut these old IKEA tables in half, they're just made of cardboard. And la la! How absolutely gorgeous is this part of her room now? I mean, the whole room is very awesome, but this part in particular, do you remember what it looked like before? And now it is wonderful and white and very much age appropriate, I think. And these lights here, the Hollywood lights, they're just like stuck on there, which is pretty cool. And you can change the lights. It's so cool. I want this for myself. And believe it or not, I just recently found this in the garbage. It is a very cool IKEA organizer, and I think it's actually supposed to go on top of your desk, but it works perfectly here. She hasn't put anything in it yet, but again, free, found in the garbage. I just gave it a super clean, and now it is perfect on her little vanity area here. So let me know down below, would you make one of these for yourself, for your kiddo? You saw how easy it was using just what we had around the house, and she loves it. Who knew that cutting a table in half would have such awesome results? I did. Actually, that is not the first time I've cut a table in half. But you see, it totally works. It's just all about seeing the potential in things that you already have, right? Like we're just using what we have to make what we want. You don't have to go out and buy a brand new expensive vanity. You don't even have to cross your fingers and hope you'll find something at the thrift store. You can just look around your house, look in your garage, look in your closets, ask your neighbors, look in on the street on trash day, right? Clearly, that's where I get a lot of my materials as well, because it's amazingly weird, the stuff that people throw out. But again, that's the greatest thing for upcycling and refashioning. And, it's so much fun to reimagine what something could be and then to actually put it into practice and do it, right? We all need to start using what we have to make what we want, because you see, it's not hard at all. And with me beside you, of course, you can do whatever you put your mind to. And that's why you need to join my wardrobe revolution, because we're going to do this together, one-on-one. We're going to go through your closet. We're going to find your unique style. You're going to learn no-sew stuff. You're going to learn how to sew. You're going to learn just a whole bunch of stuff. And then at the end of it, you're going to have an actual one-on-one with me, virtually, in person, and we're going to have a lot of fun doing that too. So I cannot wait to meet you. And until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.